Okay, welcome to Blender. So we're doing shelves with underlighting. So what I'm going to do to begin with is let's go and switch out the render engine from Eevee to cycles as per usual. Let's go ahead and add a plane just to act as a wall. I'm just going to rotate this by 90 and scale this out. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a floor as well. So let's go to edit mode. Take this little plane right here and then E-fret extrude and just pull it across. So you'll notice that I've kept the default cube. What I'm going to do is make this into a shelf. So let's go scale this down and scale this across so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to place a shelf just here, and then what I'm going to do is shift D duplicate. Maybe we could go 1.5 up. And then shift D duplicate, maybe the small shelves we can go 2 for this one. Shift D duplicate and 2 for this one. Let's go again with the duplicates. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a cylinder. You're going to want to change this. You're going to want to rotate it 90. Let's go scale it down. And then we'll go ahead and scale this across. So essentially what you want to do is make sure that it's the same height or same length even as your bookshelf. So let's go ahead and scale this in just ever so slightly. I'm just going to pull this up. And what I can do with this is let's go to materials, new, and we'll change principal BSDF to emission, and we'll change this to a blue just for the underside of the shelves. Maybe about there. Turn the strength up just a little bit. And we can see on the render, this is how it's going to look. I'm going to go ahead and just remove the original light from the scene so you guys can see this a little better. I think it's just too much. Let's delete that. Okay, so you can see the underlighting right there on the shelf. So let's go back to this toggle mode right here. So what we're going to do is take this, Shift D, place it under the next shelf, Shift D, place it under the next shelf. You can have it as big as or as small as you want. Shift D, place it under the next shelf, and then Shift D, place it under this shelf as well. Okay, so if you guys wanted underlighting, this is what it should look like. So this would be great with some, say, books on there or something like that. Say if you're doing like a posh house or something, underlighting's great. It's kind of like get on your posh pants, you know what I mean? You can also do underlighting on beds and on other furniture, such as dressers, drawers, all that kind of stuff. Blue's probably optional for most underlighting. It just looks the best, I think, compared to red, which is a little bit more harsher. So I don't know, like, experiment with this, see what you can do with it. Yeah, so if you guys liked the tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.